Welcome to Fundouts, your fast, easy, and secure way to raise funds for your social cause. This tutorial will help guide you through the simple steps to set up your campaign and get it ready to be shared with the world. Let's get started. Starting the creation process can be easily done by clicking Create a Campaign button on the top left of every page. First, we must register with Fundouts or log into our account. If you've not registered yet, please watch the registration tutorial before continuing. Now that we are logged in, we can start building our campaign. Let's click and begin. For this tutorial, we will use an example campaign. Our social cause will be trying to raise funds for the veterinarian bills of a rescued dog. We'll call him Lucky. The first step requires you to select a campaign category. You may only select one. Lucky's campaign could be listed as an accident or emergency, or maybe even medical and health. But we will choose animal and pets for the category. If you're unsure of the most appropriate category for your cause, visit the home page and look at the other campaigns in each of these categories. You can always return to this step and change your mind, as long as your campaign has not gone live. Additionally, when you proceed to the next step by clicking Set up your campaign, you can see similar campaigns which may help you decide. We are then asked to select a language. This language will be the language that your campaign will be written in and published. The language with which you view the site, and the one that your campaign operates in, do not have to be the same. Additionally, since you are able to run more than one campaign from a user's account, you may have one that you would like in English and the other in German. For now, we shall select English. We are then asked to select a page color. This is the background display color for your campaign. Once we have selected this, we can move to the next step. Congratulations, you've completed the first step and you should have received a notification in your email saying that your project draft status has been saved. From this point on, your campaign is now ready to be edited at any time before you go live. We will start with entering the most important information in order for you to create your campaign. Not every field is required, but those with a small asterisk are. First, we have to load a picture to advertise your campaign. Choose a high-quality image that is not greater than 2 megabytes. You are here given the option to change your category again. When you're happy with your category selection, you must choose an appropriate title. Try and choose something that's short and will grab the attention of the Fundout visitors. Write a short description for your campaign. This will be seen in the thumbnail of your campaign. Again, a short catchy description works better. You will be able to provide much more information for your campaign in the campaign description field below. A campaign link is assigned to you, which will be used for sharing your campaign. You must provide a proper mailing address for the campaign. This is important for when visitors are trying to find a campaign using the Near You search feature of Fundouts. You are given the option to provide a Google Analytics link. This may be helpful to obtain information regarding how many people visit your campaigns and where they are from. To find out more about Google Analytics, visit their webpage. You can now save your information and proceed to the next section. It is important to note that all information can be edited prior to launching your campaign. However, once you launch your campaign, certain fields can no longer be changed. For more information about what can be changed, please visit the Frequently Asked Questions section of Fundouts. The next section allows you to select your funding goal. Choosing the right target goal is very important for a fundraising campaign. You may not want to ask for too much, as people may think that is unrealistic. Alternatively, if you ask for too little, you may not receive the funding you need. Take time to consider the optimal goal. It may be best to outline a plan of what the funds will be used for. Additionally, Fundouts provides you with a calculator that allows you to see what you will approximately receive after fees, assuming you meet your target goal. To see more about fees and the funding process, you can simply click on the Terms of Service. Next, you get to tell your story. This section gives you all the space, tools, and linking features to effectively tell your story. First, you must provide a picture or a link to a video for the main campaign pitch media. In the text below, you can write and visually craft the most attractive description and campaign possible. Try and explore all the different tools and see what suits you best. Once you're happy with your story, you can proceed to the optional perk section below. The perk sections provides you the opportunity to give something back to the people who make Fundouts to your campaign. It could be something as simple as a postcard from a place where your campaign takes place, or a personalized thank you video from your fundraising group. You can be as creative as you like, provided that your perks meet the criterion in the terms of service. If you're unsure about your perk, do not hesitate to contact Fundouts support. For our campaign, a €25 Fundout will get you a Lucky Paw card. Make sure you indicate how many are available, estimated delivery time, and if a shipping address is required. You also need to add a short description of what your perk is. Click Save, and then you can proceed. At the bottom of each step in the Fundouts campaign process, you can click the View Campaign button to get a brief idea as what your campaign will look like. Once you've completed step 2, you're ready to boost your campaign.